On the battlefields of industrial cleaning, ship derusting, and municipal maintenance, efficiency and reliability are the keys to victory. Today, Botuo brings you the game changer, the Botuo vertical pump. Why choose a vertical design? Because it revolutionizes the very structure. The Botuo vertical pump, with its innovative vertical design, fundamentally eliminates the issue of uneven wear caused by gravity in traditional horizontal pumps. This not only ensures even force distribution on key components, significantly extending service life, but also creates a compact footprint, freeing up valuable space for your layout. And its performance is truly formidable. The Botuo vertical pump delivers pressure up to 2,800 bar and a maximum flow rate of 55 liters per minute, providing immense power for the most demanding industrial applications. To translate this extreme performance into your daily stable output, we perfect every single detail. Take a look here. The enlarged plunger and reduced operating speed achieve high flow while being gentler on water seals and oil seals, significantly reducing your maintenance costs. Our independently developed high-pressure cylinder, with its proprietary structure and full process in-house quality control, ensures impeccable quality consistency for every component. The innovative floating connection technology automatically compensates for installation errors and absorbs vibrations and shocks, taking equipment stability to the next level. From the robust nodular cast iron housing to the heat-resistant, corrosion-resistant 40 CRMO alloy steel crankshaft, the core materials define its durable foundation. Finally, the forced lubrication and cooling system, integrated with an efficient plate heat exchanger and automotive-grade oil filters, constantly safeguards the core components, effectively controlling temperature and extending service life. To meet the needs of various applications, the Botuo vertical pump is now available in 3 series: TW, TN, and TP, comprehensively covering your high-pressure challenges. Choose Botuo. Choose the value of continuous innovation. Welcome to discuss with us and create a more efficient future together.